These are the Hunter's Prestige top 10 products that you can fit at home with Johnny Fisher.
Bash.
So the first product would be our tailgate protectors. We do these V1 and V2.
Protection bar.
Nice, quick and easy to fit. Literally just need to clean the surface, remove the tape, and then stick it straight on to the rear bumper. Number 2 is our grab handles and our side pockets.
Bash.
Nice, easy to do, 4 bolts off, 4 bolts on. Number 3 is our spare wheel covers.
Tidy.
Might look pretty easy to do, but in-house takes us 3 people to put them on, mainly because we want to get it perfectly straight and the leather can be quite tight. Number 4 is our panel replacement spoilers.
Flush brush.
So this is actually a panel replacement spoiler and it's actually bolted on. We have a YouTube video online that shows you how to remove the original panel and fit the new one, and it's nice and easy to do. Number 5 is our bonnet inserts.
Sporty brush.
Easy to fit, clip on, clip off, and take about 10 minutes to do. Number 6 is our easy fit mud flaps.
Muddy brush.
Easy to fit, you don't need to remove the weather shield to actually bolt in just like the genuine Land Rover ones, and they're non-destructive. Number 7 is our reverse lights.
Visibility brush.
Adds practicality and helps you see when reversing the vehicle at night. Number 8 is our grille lights. A little bit more tricky to fit, but it's a nice and easy process to follow. Again, we have a YouTube video to show you how to do them, and they definitely make a difference when fitted on the car. Number 9 is our boot lights.
Practical lighting brush.
Especially good if you've got a commercial vehicle. The interior lighting on these Defenders isn't the best, so it just adds additional light in the vehicle to keep everything nice and visible. Number 10 is our side steps.
For the small geezers, bash.
Definitely needed on a Defender, especially if you don't have air suspension. So that is 10 products that you can fit at home with Johnny Fisher, and if you haven't seen what we did to his build the other week, you can watch that video just up here now.
Bash.
Bash.
I thought, whatever happens, at least I've never boxed like that. At least I've given people something to watch.
Loose him and come forward and... Shot out to the right hand.
That is one of the loudest engines I've ever heard. Well, I can see you guys are passionate about what you do, so it's going to be in good hands.
Yep.
I'm excited.
Sweet.
Thank you very much. Thank you, guys.
Cheers, bud.
Thanks, legends. Thank you.
We're on a very tight timescale. I don't know if we're going to finish it in time. Johnny's picking the car up Friday afternoon.
Oh, it's exciting. Grab handles. Bloody hell. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh, I'm going for it over these. Woo!
We're going to do a countdown.
Yeah.
So we'll do a 3, 2, 1, and then it'll come off, right?
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wow. That is tough.